Hey, hello guys. Welcome to the video. I'm gonna explain how to send Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency very cheap and very fast from your wallet to another wallet or to yourself and using Fixedflo.at. Fixedflo.at, if you go to busymatch.club, you have the button Fixedflo.at and you go to Fixedflo.at. So you have the logo, you have Lightning cryptocurrency exchange, and you don't have to sign up or to sign in. You can just send Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. If you click here, you see all the currencies. You see here, and here you choose what you want. So it bridges automatically and you can send where you want. I'm gonna send from my MetaMask wallet a little bit. I'm gonna show you Ethereum. If I want to send Ethereum, I go to my wallet to receive Bitcoin. So I click here to see for my Bitcoin. Like this. This is my wallet from Bitcoin, and I'm gonna click here. So this I put here. This is my address for Bitcoin. I choose float rate 0.5%, or you can choose fixed rate 1%. So what I want to send, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna send 0.02 Ethereum like this, and I receive this. So I click to exchange now, and then you see here send 0.2 address to this address. You click here, then you go to your wallet where your Ethereum are. You see, you click send, then you do here the address, you see, and you do 0.02. This is $46, and I send it. I control again 066, and the address is 06 and 209 on the end. Always control the 4 last and the 4 first. Then you do like this, send. Gonna estimate the transaction cost is 0.0, you see, and you do confirm. Submitting your transaction. Wait a little bit. You have an half hour time to do it, so normally it goes very fast. You will see it's submitting. Your transaction is complete, so it's sent it, and here it's gonna change also. Of course, you have 4 confirmations. The first confirmation is okay. You see the website do or say awaiting confirmations. Wait a little bit. So we're gonna control here. Okay, it's complete, and here I click on, you see 66255425. My Bitcoin is sent, and you have 66255425. So I didn't see if it's added or not, but I'm sure it's gonna arrive here on my balance. Okay, And these are the NFTs I have from Sphinx Labs, but this is another story. Voila, the Bitcoin was sent to my wallet, and now I sold a little bit Ethereum and I receive a little bit Bitcoin in my Bitcoin wallet. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next movie. Bye.